All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Marshall's Marine YouTube channel. Right behind me, I have a treat for you. I have a 2024 Suncatcher Select Series 20C. And we're gonna do a full walkthrough for you today, right this very second. As long as you stay and keep watching this video for the next 3 seconds, we're gonna do a walkthrough video for you right now. As always, we start in the back of the, no, Clay, we're not there yet. For the sakes of, no, hold on, trust me. For the sakes of the video, we're gonna start with something else other than the horses. Clay's dying to get to the horses. We'll get there in 1 second. But right here, we're starting with our ladder, easy accessible to get in and out of the boat. We do have a bungee strap holding that together. Super, super easy. All right, then we have our ski tow bar going around our horses. We're almost there, I promise, we're almost there. Ski bar right on the back deck of the boat going around our horses. And then, whew, we're there. Are you relieved? I'm relieved. We have our 94-stroke Yamaha VMAX SHO to push this beautiful Suncatcher Select Series 20C. Alrighty, come on. We have our gas cap right here to fill up the boat's gas tank. We have our battery switch, extremely and very easily accessible on the inside and on the outside of the boat if you're putting the boat in and out or taking it out of the water. We do have our cleats going around the whole entire boat. Here's a cool thing about this boat. We have a U formed. Clay, come right here and look at this tune right here. It's shaped like a U. A lot of the tunes under the decks are a circular shape. This is a U shape. Why, TJ, is it a U shape? Well, let me tell you. Because Suncatcher fills up all of their tunes with foam. Now, if the worst of the worst happen and one of these very reliable welds end up breaking and this thing fills up with water, that foam is going to keep the boat balanced and safe for y'all to get back to the boat ramp. That is a very rare occasion, zero chance that that's gonna happen, but a little bit ease of mind for the buyer and when you have your family relaxing and having a good time on the boat this summer. We have our Suncatcher badging. Really cool color combination right here. We have the dark gray, the light blue, then the dark blue, and then the design that goes through the boat. We do have our door to get in and out. If I can open it, is it locked? No, it's not locked, perfect. We have our door to get in and out of the boat. And then walking all the way around, we have our nav lights right here on the front of the boat and accessory lights as well. Come back just a tad bit, we have our Select Series. Now, this is a Saltwater Series edition Suncatcher pontoon, which means that a lot of the metal components of this boat is stainless steel. So that way, if you're taking it in brackish water, freshwater, or salt water, you have that ease of mind when it comes to rust protection. I believe that's it. Clay, come on and let's take a look up inside of this beautiful Suncatcher. All right, sorry, I had to come out of this Suncatcher changing room that's built into this pontoon right here because I changed into our t-shirt. So you know, y'all are kind of used to me wearing the black Marshall Marine button up, but for this video, I'm wearing the Marshall Marine t-shirt. Why? Because we're gonna do something special for our viewers, and that is if you come in to the Marshall's Marine location in Lake City, South Carolina before July 4th, 2025, you show them a video, this video, or the other videos of me wearing this t-shirt, verbally saying this, you will get a free t-shirt. So y'all come on into the location if y'all are coming to look at a boat, or y'all just want to come by and meet the wonderful Marshall's Marine staff. Y'all come on in, show someone a video of me wearing the t-shirt, and you will get a free t-shirt. Okay, back to the video. As always, we're starting in the back of the boat. Extremely comfortable seating on the top of this pad right here. Now, I know y'all just saw my little explanation on the free t-shirt thing before July 4th of 2025. This right here is our changing room that I came out of. Suncatcher built this into the boat. Very, very cool, very, very versatile. And you can use it for multiple different things. Alrighty. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. Now, moving forward, we have plenty of seating all the way around the boat. We have cup holders in various locations for the ease of use of you, the viewers. We have our table right here for all of the snacks and goodies going on during our days out there on the water. We have storage under all of our cushions all the way around the boat. We even have storage under our backrest right here. Huge storage, actually. Oh wow, huge storage right here. But extremely comfortable, easy access to all of our cup holders like I just mentioned. And we have speakers under all of our seats as well. I gotta stand up, I think I'm gonna fall asleep. Alrighty, on to the captain's seat. Extremely comfortable captain's seat. We do have levers right here if we want to converse with our fellow passengers. If we are mad at them or we just need some time alone, then we can just turn our seat back and it'll lock into place and we can focus on driving to the next spot out on the water. We have our Yamaha gauges. We have our radio controls right here, and then we have our Yamaha throttle. It doesn't get simpler and it doesn't get easier than that. We have a little bungee strap right here for any type of cellular devices. We can pull up a map on our phone to navigate through the lake, or there's a wonderful panel right there that we can flush mount any type of marine electronics onto the boat as well. And let's not point out the obvious. We have our bimini top with the wonderful Suncatcher logo right there. If you're wondering what the bimini top looks like extended, I think we have 1 or 2 boats in the showroom that we can take a look at. So that's what the bimini top looks fully extended, and this is what it would look like when you are trailering it either to the lake or from the lake. All right, and then we have console storage right here, dry storage for any type of needs, anything we want to keep dry. Onto the front deck of the boat. Just like when we touched on our door right here on the outside, we do have another one up front to keep the hooligans in the boat or tell them to get off the boat and get on the dock. Alrighty, we have more seating all the way around the boat with storage. As always, everyone's storage. A lot of cool things with this storage, with these storage compartments, is there is drains on the bottom for the rare occasion that water does get in them. We have more extremely comfortable backrests and padding right here. And I'll show y'all, I know y'all want to see it, more storage as well. We have our cup holders right here, easily accessible for the person lounging on this seat. We also have our speakers under both of these pads on our seating as well. And that's pretty much it. Extremely comfortable, plenty of space for everyone, plenty of seating options for everyone, extremely comfortable seating options for everyone. And that perfectly describes our 2024 Suncatcher Select Series 20C. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video for you. I enjoyed sitting down most of the video, trying to show y'all how comfortable these seats are. Don't forget our t-shirt thing where you can come by before July 4th of 2025 and pick you up a free t-shirt. Go look on, I got a favor for y'all real quick. If y'all won't mind, go look at the Marshalls Marine website, www.marshallsmarine.com. We are filming a lot of boats for these walkthrough videos. We need some of our viewers' suggestions. You want us to do a Skeeter, Suncatcher, Godfrey pontoon, any of the veranda pontoons, more center consoles. Let us know. We want to know your opinion on that. And I think that's it. Go to our Marshall Marine website, check those boats out, or you can give us a phone call if you're interested in any of the boats that we did a walkthrough for. And hey, we'll see you on the next walkthrough video.